Bollywood actresses who are in secret relationship. Katrina Kaif. Well, her relationship was quite a secret few days ago too, but now Harshvardhan has confirmed Katrina's relationship. Well, the stunning Bollywood beauty is currently dating none other than Bollywood's heartthrob Vicky Kaushal. They both are dating each other almost since 2019 and have always been very secretive about it. Katrina was heartbroken by her past relationship with Ranbir, so she always wanted to keep this one a secret. But it is Harshvardhan Kapoor who confirmed the news of Katrina and Vicky's relationship. Shraddha Kapoor. Shraddha Kapoor's personal life has always been a matter of attraction for media and people. For several years, Shraddha Kapoor is in news for her secret yet quite open relationship with none other than Rohan Shresht. Shraddha and Rohan are childhood friends of each other and they are often spotted together. Shakti Kapoor has revealed during one of his interviews that he does not know if Shraddha and Rohan are serious about each other or not. Jacqueline Fernandez. Everybody knew that Jacqueline was single until the news of Jacqueline moving in with her boyfriend came out. This bubbly Bollywood actor is reported to be dating a South-based entrepreneur. The duo will soon move together into their love nest in Mumbai that they have recently bought. The bungalow is a sea-facing one in Juhu area and Jacqueline is quite excited to start the new phase of her life. Kangana Ranaut. This Bollywood actress has a long list of former lovers and nobody knew about her present relationship status until she revealed it. During one of her interviews, Kangana has claimed that she is not single and she is happily in a relationship with someone. Well, the identity of the person is still unknown and it is believed that Kangana is still dating that person. Moni Roy. This Bengali beauty has always remained silent regarding her personal life, but she is not single anymore. Moni Roy is currently dating Dubai-based businessman Suraj Nambiar and Moni often visits him and Suraj's parents in Dubai. Moni has been spotted to refer Suraj's parents and mom and dad too, and both the families have met several times. It is also reported that soon Moni is going to tie her nuptial knots with Suraj Nambiar. Manisha Lamba. This Bollywood actress was married to Ryan Tham and recently the duo got separated legally. Their marriage has ended amicably. While talking about her separation, Manisha has also confessed that she has fallen in love again and she's in a relationship. The actress has denied to reveal the identity of the person and wants privacy in her life.